Hey friends, if you wish to disable automatic sign-in for Gmail in the Google Chrome browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. Uh, when you open Chrome, let me open Chrome for you. The thing is that Chrome has a policy for auto sign-in. So when you are logged into it using your Google account and you try to access Gmail, I'll show you, it will automatically log you into Gmail. Why? Because the account is still the same, right? Whether it is a Gmail account or whether it is any other account like Google Photos and all, the email ID is the same, and that same email ID is used to log into Google, Gmail, Google accounts, and Google Photos, and Google Contacts, and Google Chat, and all of the Google products. But if you want it to happen in this way, that if someone is simply opening the Google browser or Google Chrome browser, it should not automatically sign you into Gmail, then here's what you have to do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now go to this option here on the list on the left hand side, you and Google. In the right pane, select sync and Google services and turn the switch off for allow Chrome sign in. Okay, now you'll have to sign in separately to these websites, including Gmail. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.